Hi, hello world. Once again back to my channel. Welcome back to my another content. In this content, I'm going to share with you a very pivotal topic, a very important topic. The topic name is a daily uses English speaking, like at your home, at your grocery shop, and at your travel times. So please watch my full video. And I strongly believe that this content will be very helpful for your English speaking journey. So this is time for let's begin. Oh my goodness. Do you know English conversation at home? Like, good morning. Did you sleep at well? Good morning. Did you sleep at well? Yes, I did. What about you? Yes, I did. What about you? Not really. I went to bed late. That's why my sleep wasn't good. And you should rest today. Like, did you sleep well? Did you sleep well? Not really. You should. Asking for help at home. Conversation like, can you help me with this? Can you help me with this? Sure, what do you need? Sure, what do you need? I can't open this jar. I can't open this jar. No problem, I will do it. Asking for help at home. What shoe is? English conversation at a shop. English conversation at a shop like customer. Excuse me, how much is this? Excuse me, how much is this? Shopkeeper, it's $2. It's $2. Customers, that's a bit expensive. That's a bit expensive. Shopkeeper, I can give you a discount. I can give you a discount. Keep face like, excuse me, can you give this? Can you help me? Excuse me, can you side please? How much is this? How much is this? That's a bread. That's a bread. Asking for another item like customer, do you have this in another color? Do you have this in another color? Do you have this in another color? Shopkeeper, yes, we have black and blue. Yes, we have black and blue. Customer, I will take the blue one. Customer, I will take the blue one. Part 3, English conversation on the street. Like asking for direction, like excuse me, is there a bank near here? Is there a bank near here? Yes, go straight and turn left. Yes, go straight and turn left. How long does it take to walk? How long does it take to walk? About 5 minutes. Casual street talk like, nice weather today, isn't it? Nice weather today, isn't it? Yes, it's beautiful. Perfect day for a walk. Absolutely amazing. This is a fantastic day. You can use this kind of language. This is very common and this is very simple conversation in English. Like casual street talk. Now, now repeat after me. This is called practice session. Very important. Can you help me with this? Can you help me with this? How much is this? How much is this? Is there a bank near here? Is there a bank near here? So thank you everyone for watching my this content, and I strongly believe that this content will be very helpful for your English speaking journey. See you soon with another content.